7:52 in the morning, Sunday, June 23rd. This path is really muddy. Extremely. Oh, let me see if I can walk. Let me see if I can take this path here. It's not really a path, shortcut. Gotta be careful with those spines of the prickly pear. Yeah, not to damage any of the plants. Let's see. This should be interesting. I want to see how that wooden bridge looks. Like to see if it had water. It is extremely humid. There was a rabbit way up there ahead. Across the. I wish I knew what that that animal makes that sound. The bird, like a whoo sound, not an owl. Up ahead should be interesting due to the amounts of rain we got this past 5 days. Yeah, see, first time I ever see water here. So let's do this first. I'm gonna go here. What a shame. Doesn't have any water. Ooh, slippery. It does a little bit. Got some minnow. Poor minnow, they're gonna die once this thing dries up. I'm getting my shoes super muddy. Oh, this thing is really has a lot of water. Normally this I wouldn't be able to see under water. Wow. Let's look at the other pond. The one is right up ahead. I turn right. All this is really muddy. I'm gonna have to walk so I can start dropping all this mud. Yeah, let's look at this other pond from this side. See, it's the cypress pond. It has a lot of water, and it has a lot of that duckweed. Okay, yes, I'm at 4, going on 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut the video, then I'll resume.